found a Hulk.
With Scotland. Look out for
I have an idea.
but perhaps they're better known as acrobats. They will be conducting an interactive demonstration utilizing the quantum cores on your tablets. Please don't touch them until you are instructed to do so.
Got it.
Children,
Watch.
please keep an eye on your parents. We'll be getting underway in just a moment. Good evening, everyone. Please welcome Scotland and Hope Valentine.
Should I triple check? All right, thank you. You know what? I need to breathe, find my chi. I just need 15 minutes to. Hi, I'm Scott Lang. But you might know me as Ant-Man.
And I am Hope Valentine, the Wasp.
Look, before we start, let me address the elephant in the room. I've heard a lot of chatter out there asking why I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. First of all, gross. Secondly, it's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time. Anyway, tonight, through the power of quantum science, we will show you how together we can change the world.
Yeah, now look, don't worry, kids. Quantum science sounds overwhelming, but trust me, it is.
These are quantum cores, cutting-edge technology that for the first time allows us to specifically target our PIM particles to shrink or grow just about anything.
Please don't get any crumbs on them.
When we give you the direction, you push the buttons on your cores, and they send a signal to the regulator here, which in turn remotely targets the object to shrink or grow.
Spider ball.
Right?
I found
I'll
a
show
yellow
you.
spider
Let's
ball.
shrink something already, huh?
Let's do it.
All right, I
Come
brought
on.
this from my cabinet. Because I couldn't fit it under the bed. Oh, this. Like this? I made this. It's a swan.
Adorable that you think you made a swan.
Anyway, I want to shrink this suitcase and the swan to make it easier to take home.
Well, making it smaller would make it better. Friday, initiate power-up sequence.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online. Prepare to push your buttons.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, activate! Pretty sweet, right?
That is your attack swan.
Oh. Yeah, I see what you mean. That's terrible.
Why did that enlarge and the suitcase shrunk?
I probably should not have rewired the remote targeting protocol.
We'll be back soon with more quantum core demos. In the meantime, here's some other cool Avengers tech that works
It might be just a magic towel.
without rewiring.
Initiating Avengers Technology Showcase.
Why did you bring a swan towel?
I look at what? The little art in the presentation is nice.
Wasn't nice?
It's a fake swan. I wasn't going to tell you. It's a towel.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. I'm back.
Hey,
You
son.
want your dinner? You don't have to answer. I hear you. Anyway, sorry for the delay, but I think I fixed the issue with quantum cores. Hope I stepped out with some fresh air. How about we surprise her and shrink my terrifying swan back to normal size before she gets back? Huh? Friday, boot up the cores.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online.
Ready, guys?
No grubby hands on the quantum cores. So lots of crumbs on your tables. Ready to go? 3, 2, What just happened?
Scott, were you playing with the regulator again?
I just wanted to surprise you.
Oh, you did. Honey, you shrunk the ship.
Quantum cores are back online.
Got it. Thank you so much.
But the regulators tried. Oh, great.
She did it
Well,
again.
this is getting
She put her
worse.
hands on these plates.
Listen, Scott, I'm standing here with the captain.
She bare-fist these. These ones are hot. Stick your hand over
America?
or stick it in the
Scott is the captain of the cruise ship. You want to have a chat with us about what just happened? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We'll be right back. Can you hear me? Hello? Friday! Yes!
How did you gain access to this channel?
I borrowed Mr. Lang's password and tapped into the ship's communication satellite.
Goodbye.
Wait, I have an urgent message. Trouble is heading your way. Like, big trouble.
What trouble? I'll alert the team.
Ultron is after the quantum chorus.
Who? You're breaking up.
Man, he's closer than I thought. I can help. I need to borrow Mr. Stark's Twinjet.
Quit borrowing things.
Don't worry, I'll be there soon. Oh, send me a Mickey bar.
Friday?
Our airspace has been breached.
Punch up the top 10 feet.
Dispatching ant cans.
Hook up.
Captain America! Sam! Captain Falcon! Captain, what do I call you now? Sam works. Call me Captain. How's the Christian cruise gig go? Try the chicken tenders. They'll change your mind.
Thank you so much.
We're headed back to base and we noticed a spike in high energy levels at your location. Red Wing, give us a bird's eye view.
They look like
Flying robots.
Analyzing. Ultron. An android obsessed with destroying the Avengers and wiping out all of mankind.
Must be here for the quantum course.
Well, he sure isn't here for the chicken tenders. And later, we're gonna have a serious talk about bringing quantum tech to the cruise ship.
Look at this crowd. You try keeping their attention. Look, that guy's still eating.
you go to the planet first.
The kid now hold him off while you do it. Kid?
Miss Marvel is teaming up with the Star-Spangled Man with a plan against the metal moles. Throw down on the high seas, baby. Shoot. Aye, Captain.
At ease. Take it easy. Now, what did I say about the boat captain jerks?
I should make them at every chance I get.
Just stay sharp and watch it.
Oh my god!
Oh, what? What is it?
I want to fly sick. Like good sick, not like seasick, kind of sick, but totally feeling right now. Oh, I mentioned I've never been on a cruise ship before.
Young lady, we have to work on your focus. Your focus. You're an Avenger now. In training.
Wait, do I get full credit? Is it like a special patch or a uniform or something? Oh my god.
And no fangirling.
Oh, fangirling right now.
That was awesome.
Thanks, but that's kind of
You
easy.
know what happens to people in movies that say that, right? Oh, I need backup.
On my way, Cap. Get that regulator fixed.
Promise it'll work. Come on.
Do you want to take a selfie?
Secure the bridge, kid.
What's your later?
Ah, so this is where they keep the children.
That's a weird opening line. Think fast!
Seriously?
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Oh, get out of my way!
Watch what's this!
Getting all crowded up here! What's the plan?
Hang tight! Contingency plan's on the way.
Funny who you run into on a cruise. Welcome to the party, Carol. Hey, Hope. Sam. Give me a sec.
No, we're gonna stay here.
At the rate you were going, you would have been here all night.
You know, you could have paced things out, give the folks a little bit more of a show.
Nah. I think they're ready for dessert.
Oh, hey, just
And I've got a date with some free missiles on the other side of the galaxy.
Have fun with your space stuff, and thanks for the assist, Dammers.
You're welcome, Captain.
It's in Marble High.
Miss Marvel, how's the field trip going?
Oh, it's just a basic field trip, you know? Except I almost got killed by robots like 8 times.
Oh, only 8 times? Flattered.
You don't want to hit that water slide by any chance?
I actually think I hit that water slide really well. Sorry about that.
Still awesome.
You got the good work in? Thank you. What are you doing?
You know, we don't have a secret handshake. How about just...
Yeah. Oh, sorry. It happens sometimes. It's okay.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm good.
I really am.
I'm happy fine.
Hope!
Scott.
Shield barrier activated.
They changed that.
Look, hypothetically, let's say that Ultron absorbed the regulator. Can I weaponize the quantum cores to target him?
Technically, yes. If you adjust the wave frequency. Scott, what's going on?
Oh, nothing else. It's hypothetical. I'm just making conversation. Thanks, you're the best.
Scott! Warning! Shield barrier failure imminent.
Friday, target every core at Ultron.
It'll take a minute.
I'll buy us some time. All right, people. It's hero time. When I give the signal, smash your buttons. If I don't make it back, avenge me. Hey, metalhead!
You annoying little pest.
Friday, come on now!
Done! Target acquired.
Hit your buttons now!
Come here.
That guy over there, still eating? Yeah, he'll up.
Hey, Scott, what's your status?
Status? Super cool. Just took down Ultron one-on-one.
He had help.
They did have help.
Well done, everybody.
Thanks, Cam.
But we're all clear on the deck, so we'll head back to base. Hey, kid. Good job. You're on cleanup duty.
Have a good night. So cool.
Yeah, previously, Captain Marvel leaves before she gets to meet her, and she's like, was she here?
I think
But I guess because they did the second movie and they know each other now. Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Excuse me.
Oh, that was good.
Spider-Man.
What's that, Friday?
It's over, Spider-Man.
That was over? What do you mean it's over? I just got it.
Captain America, Miss Marvel, and Captain Marvel saved the ship.
They did? Great. I just missed out on my Ultimate Avengers dream team.
You can always help Miss Marvel with
It's just
cleanup
on
when
the
you come
street.
down.
Or, how about I supervise the search with me.
We definitely need lights.
That'd be cool.
New lights.
Thank you.